it's me, Isla the Inventor Girl, and today we're going to make a tortoise shell shield. Now you may be thinking, oh, a shield like a knight does, but that's not the kind of shield we're going to do. Okay, so you may want some green paint maybe, so like green paint, a paintbrush. I've got some green paint right here and my paintbrush is up there. Okay, and you're gonna need some glue or tape, scissors and perhaps scissors and yarn, and egg cartons. Now since we don't eat eggs, our neighbor gave us these. So yeah, that's my brother in the background if you're hearing this thing. So yeah, so I got the bottom of egg cartons. I'm using cardboard ones, not plastic ones. And I decided that these bumps kind of look like a tortoise design. Alright, so let's get to it. So first, we need to tape these two together. Okay, so you're gonna take some tape and we're gonna do it the long way. And if you don't know what I mean, I'm going to show you. So first, you're gonna take some tape and you're gonna hold it like, so it's gonna go like that, and you're gonna place it on one end, okay? And then you're gonna tape it over to the other end. There. Now, you're just gonna do that for the rest of it, okay? Alright, so I've added tape on the inside, but now we're gonna add tape onto the outside. Now, so you're gonna take your carton. I'm gonna move this down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna hold my carton like this for you to see, and you're going to take some tape, and I'm gonna put it across the bumps. So first I'm gonna put it inside and then spread it across, pushing it down, and then there. Now you're going to do the same thing. And you're going to keep doing that, okay, till you've reached the end. So here's my second one, okay? So yeah, you're going to keep doing that till the end. Oh, and you also just might want to put some tape across or over that, just so that then it's kind of secure, more secure. Oops. Okay, so I'll leave you to it. Alright, ta-da! So this is what it looks like for now. Now I'm going to go up here, and I've got a paintbrush, and you're going to paint it green. So, whoops. Now just before you paint it green, you may want to press the tape down, maybe add a little extra tape. So I'm going to press down all of that tape, get it down, make sure the stickiness is good. And before you do it, you're going to hold it right here, and you're going to hold it up like a shield. Alright, now I just need to... Alright, you're also going to need a paint palette, or I think that's what they're called. Anyways, I'm going to open up some green paint and pour it in to the circle. And there. Okay. I've got that already. I have this paintbrush, and yeah, I'm gonna paint it over. And if you're using like a cardboard one, you want to be careful that you don't add too much paint, otherwise you just want to be careful that you don't make it a little soggy. Okay? Almost done. And there. Okay. All done. Ta-da! Check it out. Okay, so now we're just gonna let the paint dry. And then, yeah, we may not even need that yarn and scissors I was talking about. So don't worry if you don't have any yarn or scissors. Alright, so all you do is you hold it right here or wherever you want to in the back, and you have yourself a kind of potential. Now it may not be able to fight off anything, but could block balls and balloons. So yeah, anyways, bye everyone!